Chelsea Flower Show's taking place this week, and if you're lucky enough to have a ticket, you're going to see some excellence in horticulture. If you haven't got a ticket, you can always follow it on TV. But I'd have a pen and paper handy, because in many cases it shows not just individual plants, but a combination of plants and how they can grow side by side and have the foliage offset itself with the colour of the flowers. I mean, just behind me here, in my garden, I've got cascading effect of a beautiful dissected leaf Japanese maple, and as it reaches the base, it picks up my little hellebores that are just growing through, and this combination of foliage is really, really clever. Now, I've also got the same with Alliums. It's a very Chelsea plant because it comes up at this time of year. So the beautiful circular flowers of the Alliums as they open. And just over there, I've got a window through a purple Japanese maple. I wanted to create a vista when I'm sitting at the patio to look through. So it's almost like a frame. There's a gap in the foliage and I can see the rhododendrons in flower behind. And it's those magical combinations that work. You don't have to be a horticultural expert. All it is about choosing plants, looking at the foliage and trying the combinations yourself. So if you're watching it on TV or visiting the show, make a note of some of your favourite combinations that you've seen through the inspiration of the show and introduce them into your own garden. It's a treat.